Okay, this video is how we use the law of exponents to simplify problems, and these are the law of exponents. Okay, so I have an easy, medium, and difficult problem. The way you do this is multiply the numbers. 2 times 2 will give you 4. 4. And r times r will give you r squared. Remember, if there's no number, if there's no exponent here, there will be a 1. So this r to the 1 times r to the 1 is similar to this rule right here. Thus you get r squared, and that is the answer. Remember, your answers, you have no negative exponents or zero exponents. If they do, you need to change it. Okay? So that was an easy problem. Now let's do a medium problem. The way you do this is first, everything inside parentheses should be raised to the 0 to the 4 power. That is this right here. So there's a 2, and that should be raised to the 4th power. There's a y to the 0, and that should be raised to the 4th power. Next, you do the same thing over here. Everything inside the parentheses should be raised to the 4th power. So there's an x to the 4th inside parentheses, and that should be raised to the 4th power. There's a y to the negative 1 power, and that should be raised to the 4th power. So you have 2 to the 4th, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So this will be 16. And y. For this, you use this rule. The base will be the same base, and the exponent should be multiplied. 0 times 4 will give you 0. Times, same thing right here. The base should be the same base, should be x, and the exponent should be multiplied. 4 times 4 will give you 16. Multiply by, same rule right here. Base will be the same. Multiply the exponents, negative 4. Now what you have 16. There's only one x, that'll be x to the 16th, will not change. Now the y is y to the 0 times y to the negative 4. That's this rule. Y to the 0 times y to the negative 4. The base will be the same, the base will be y, and the exponent should be added. 0 minus 4 will give you negative 4. And that's it, that's the answer, that's what you can do. But there should be no negative exponent. So how do I give you the negative exponent? The way you do is you make this a fraction. And what you do, if you have any negative exponents, you need to change position. So look at the 16. Does it have any negative exponents? No. So he's okay on top. Keep him as a numerator. Now x to the 6, do you have any negative exponents? No, so that will stay the same. Now y to the negative 4, does it have a negative exponent? Yes, it does, so it means it wants to trade places. Doesn't want to be a numerator anymore, it wants to be a denominator. And the 1, keep it there. So now there's no negative or zero exponents, that is the answer. That will be the answer. Okay, so that was a medium problem, a little bit more complicated, but not that bad. Now, example number 3, that is a hard problem, and here's how you do it. Okay, first I'm gonna multiply this, the numerator. In the numerator, first look for the numbers. There's only a 2, no one else to multiply with, stays the same. Now look at the a's. What is a to the 4th times a to the negative 2? A to the 4th times a to the negative 2. The base will be the same base, and the exponents are added. What is 4 plus negative 2? That gives you a square, so this will be a square. Now do the b's, where is b to the fourth times b to the fourth. The base be the same and the exponents are added. 4 plus 4 will give you 8. Now on the bottom, everything inside the parentheses should be raised to the fourth power. You have negative 2 to the fourth power, a to the negative 2 raised to the fourth power. Okay, now simplify this, simplify the denominator. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, that's 4, 8, 16. That is 16. Okay, if you have a negative exponent, negative number, and it's raised to an even number, it'll be positive. 4 is even. If it was odd, it'll be negative. So that's 16. In this case, the base will be the same base. Multiply the exponents. Negative 2 times 4 will give you negative 8. And then the numerators is the same. 2, a to the 2, b to the 8. Okay, now I gotta try to simplify numerator and denominator. What is 12 divided by 16? That gives you 1/4. Now what is a to the 2? A squared divided by a to negative 8. The base will be the same base. Top exponent minus the bottom exponent minus the bottom exponent, two negatives. And then the b has no other b, stays the same. Change this sign to a plus. If they're the same, becomes a plus. If they're different, it becomes minus. So you have the following: 1/4 a. 2 plus 8 will give you 10. B to the 8. That's my answer. Now I need to worry. Do I have any negative or zero exponents? I don't have any of them, so that'll be the answer. Okay? Thank you.